Hello students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center and Shah sir classes. I am Shah Faisal sir here. Evershine Coaching Center. Hello Madhvi. So today's session is very important for you all. This session for all the class 10 students of NCERT, and that students may belongs to Karnataka State Board or CBSE board. Even those students also can use this session. So another 2 minutes we are going to just wait for the others, let they also join. Hi Chandan Kumar. Okay, let me have a brief. So the topics what is going to be covered in today's class. Topics to be covered. Yes, I know CBSE also has finished, and this session will be helpful even for them for the next academic year, because we are following NCERT very important questions. Okay, and do remember the Karnataka State Board students or CBSE board students, everyone are following NCERT syllabus. That is what I said. Okay, but this session is purely for SSLC board students, but the questions even CBSE board students also can use it for their preparation. So the topics to be covered in today's class and the topics to be covered in our upcoming classes. I will let you know both the things together. So please have patience. So in today's class we are going to discuss the topics to be covered. First is maths study plan. Second, topic is maths blueprint for this academic year, expected blueprint. And third topic, and I request all the students, so please only the relevant comment you can put in the comment section, because it should not disturb the others. Okay, only the specific questions you people can ask. In case if you have any doubts there, definitely I will get you the reply for that, because we have very less time. We have only a 1 hour duration of time. That is what I just want to complete most of the contents in a less duration of time. I don't like to waste your time at this moment. So kindly cooperate with us and try to learn certain things what I am going to explain you here. And even after my busy schedule of my coaching institute, classes and the schools where I used to work, and I have made the time for you people, so please kindly utilize it, so it will be definitely benefited for you. So I don't want any irrelevant comments in the comment section. Kindly cooperate. Okay, let's begin. Math study plan, maths blueprint and maths passing package, maths scoring package will be discussed in today's class, and tomorrow I will be discussing few important questions, and also you can let me know before the end of this session. In the last moment I will give you the time. You can ask me if you have any sort of doubts. Definitely I will try to clarify those doubts. And more very important rather than this, what to study and what not to study, I will let you know in this class. Is this clear? Sure, Shalini, I will let you know. Yes dear, I will let you know. Okay, so I hope you all have understood what exactly I said you know. Okay, see students, the very most important of today's class is maths passing package. I hope you people can see here the maths passing package. Okay, observe here in this maths passing package, and later I will give you this sheet. You people can use it for your reference purpose. Okay, now observe here, so this is maths 100% sure questions, maths passing package. Number 1, theorems. So I have made this rough sheet for you people and also for your reference purpose. As you can see, first theorems. Now what you can do here, see children, what I just like to tell you here, I will be speaking in both the languages, Kannada, English, Hindi, so that it will be benefited for everyone, even for Kannada medium students. Okay, अभी मैं इसमें क्या आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ बोले तो आपको हर चीज़ में आपको एक डाउट रहेगा. What is the doubt is, see, for everything there should be something called as beginning, isn't it? And also there should be an end. Then only we can say it's a successful story. If you are preparing for something, there should be beginning and also there should be an end, isn't it? There should be a beginning and also there should be an end for everything, for every topic. Now in case if you are preparing for this year's board exam, definitely you should know what is the starting point and what is the ending point. Until unless you don't know how much you people are covering, how can you understand or how can you think that you are going to clear this paper? How much ever you are preparing, how much ever you people are reading, that is different story. Understood? For everything you should know how much you have covered and still how much you need to cover. Then only you will be satisfied that yes, I have completed. And this is what I can see in most of the students, okay, the drawback. For that purpose, I just wanted to give you this information. For this, what I have done, I have made one study timetable, study plan. Now from this study plan you people can easily get to know that what you have covered and still what you have not yet covered, and this is only for passing package. Remember, this is only for the first 40 to 50 marks. If any students are aiming for the first 40 to 50 marks, if in case if you follow this plan, that is more than sufficient. Please don't go under any trap and don't get demotivated and don't lose your self confidence. That is the very most important thing which everyone should have with them at this moment. And also, your health is the wealth, should not forget it. Done. So, theorems, BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. If you know this basic proportionality theorem, just you tick here number 1, right mark. Example like this. In case if you have no, write number 1, write tick mark here. What does it mean? It means that this question number 1 you know very well, and don't judge this question you know because long back you have studied, and don't think that now even now you know that. No, once again you solve this. If you have completed, put tick mark. After solving, next you have to put here tick mark. And I will be sharing this PDF, I will be sharing this the link of this page. Okay, after the end of my session, in the below description of this video I will share you the link. You can just, it's a Google Drive link will be there, you can just click and you can download this sheet and you can use it for your reference purpose as like what to study and what not to study and how to score good marks in upcoming board exam. Okay, good. And similarly, question number 2, AA similarity criteria. If you know, you write here. No, if you don't know, assume. Example, if you don't know AA similarity criteria, just you can put here wrong mark. What does it mean? It is yet to incomplete. It means you can just write here question number 2. If not, don't write anything here. Don't write anything here. Just keep it blank. Just here you can put as question number 2 is incomplete. Okay, is this clear? Children, I just want to tell you that the one who are commenting, please don't comment because I will be not seeing. After I complete these things, I will ask you the doubts. At that time, you people can comment to me. I will get back to, I will be clarifying your doubts. So, please pay attention towards the class what I am explaining. Okay, good. Same way, if you know question number 3, you can just write here number 3 and you can put tick mark. So, Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular theorem, tangent theorem. So, perpendicular theorem and tangent theorem, it is there in the chapter circles, and the first 5 theorems belongs to triangles, and this is congruent theorem. Children, it is actually not a congruent theorem, it is not a theorem by the way. Actually, it is a numerical, it is a problem. Once upon a time, this question number 8 was a very favorite question for the examiner. Okay. So, what is this question? Do not worry, I will be sharing you the questions also with respect to this material. Do not worry, I will tell you everything step by step. Okay. Once upon a time, this question was one of the favorite question for the examiner. Okay. For that purpose, I have taken this question in this list. In case if you are going to get even that question, it is a lucky draw for you. For that purpose, do not miss such type of questions. Is this clear? Good. And next, coming back to constructions. Okay. Now, okay. And now the next topic is constructions. So, in constructions chapter, we have triangle construction. This is question number 1 to question number 8. You can refer our ESCC study material, that is Evershine Coaching Center study material. In that, question number 1 to question number 8 you can practice, and tangent construction is there, that is question number 1 to question number 10, and graphical method question number 1 to question number 5, ogive curve, less than type, more than type. So, these all constructions, okay, these all set of constructions you people can follow our ESCC study material. ESCC study material. Even this material I will show you now how that material looks, and I will be sharing you the link. You can download it and you can use for the reference purpose. That is more than sufficient. Is this clear? Good. And statistics, at least solve 2 problems, minimum 2 problems based on mean, mode and median. But still, if you want a very good practice based on mean, you can choose any question dear, you can choose any question as you like, as you wish. Okay, is this clear? Okay, so what you can do, minimum 5 problems you can solve for the better understanding, got it? So, minimum how many problems you can solve? 5 problems, minimum 5 problems based on mean, mode and median. You can choose any questions as per your wish, study any material, check it out, mean, mode, median, understood, and you can solve at least 5 problems based on each. And next, pair of linear equations. In the chapter pair of linear equations, what you people can do is very simple. Is this clear? In pair of linear equations chapter, number 1 is elimination method, and next is condition of 3 different lines. So, what is this 3 different lines? Very simple, I will let you know what exactly does it means. Okay. So, here we have 3 types of lines. Mean, mode, median, there will be a choice. See, dear students, I like to tell you one small information related to this. Suppose let me take some question number 37, assume they may give you the question based on mean, direct question, example class interval and frequency. Okay, some values they have given. Now they are asking you directly find the mean of the following frequency distribution, or choice. They may have given the problem related to mode, but here they might have done a twist. The question is not directly based on mode, they have already given the value of mode and they are asking you to find something unknown in that. Chances are there. Understood? Chances are there. Got my point? So, one maybe directly they may not ask you mean, some x and y they have given, find the value of x and y. Already the mean of the distribution they have given and they are asking you to find the value of x and y. Chances are there. So, what I say, based on mean, mode, median, try all the 3 to be in safer side, because if they give choice also, maybe they may give you one question direct and the other question, sub question, choice question may be indirect. At that time you should not lose the marks. So, it is better, it does not take much time dear. Okay. Mean, mode, median, it is very simple, you can use the formulas and you can solve it. If you have any doubts you can ask me, I will help you out. So, how to solve? Is this clear? Yeah. Concepts are clear? Good. So, I should go little fast, so do not mind, because I need to cover maximum contents now. For that purpose I am telling. Done? Okay. Now, observe here. The next topic here is conditions of 3 different lines. As we all know that you should know 3 different lines. Which are the 3 types of lines? One is intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. We have 3 types of lines, isn't it? Good. Is this clear? Intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. We have 3 different types of lines, and remember the nature of the graph is important, because sometimes they may twist the question. For that purpose I am telling. The intersecting lines will move cross to each other, parallel lines move parallelly to each other, coincident lines, if one line is moving in this direction, the other line is overlapping on the same line and it is moving in the opposite direction. So, this type of lines we call it as coincident lines. And to know whether the lines are intersecting or not, then there is a condition A1 by A2 does not equals to B1 by B2. If the lines are parallel lines, then there is a condition A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 does not equals to C1 by C2. If the lines are coincident lines, then A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 then is equals to C1 by C2. So, you should know the conditions. These are the most important conditions if they ask any questions. In case if they ask any question, they may ask you 3 types of questions related to these 3 conditions or 3 different lines. They may ask you which type of lines they exist. They may give you the question like 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equals to 0. Something the question may be given to you like this, and they may ask you which type of lines these are. Okay, then you have to apply this condition. They may ask you what type of solution they exist. Okay, you should write the solution. And remember, for intersecting lines the solution is unique solution, that is called as one solution. If the lines are parallel, then it is called as no solution, and if the lines are coincident lines, then we call it as infinitely many solutions. Okay. And third, the question may be asked for you people, that is whether they are consistent or inconsistent, that is consistency they can ask you. Remember, intersecting lines are consistent, parallel lines are inconsistent, coincident lines are dependently consistent, consistent. Is this clear? Good. I am going one by one. I am going step by step. Please try to cooperate. I will be covering everything. Don't worry. Is this clear? Understood? I don't know who is Mr. Physics. So, please kindly respond, because we have the other participants. They should not get disturbed. If I find any students are disturbing here or there, then I need to hide that student from this session. So, it is a loss for you child. I do not like to eliminate any student from my live session. So, kindly cooperate. I do not want any disgusting comments over here, because this is what we are conducting, not for the enjoyable session or to have a fun. So, please try to understand the importance of these classes. Okay. So, the question may ask for you people related to this. Any doubts? Good. And after that, distance formula, distance between any 2 points and distance from origin to point. Section formula, find coordinates, find the ratio. If you have learned the problems related to find the coordinates, you can just put tick mark. If you do not know, you can put in the incomplete section. Midpoint formula, area of triangle, collinear, base problems, and prove the type of polygon. What do you mean by prove the type of polygon? Mr. Physics, if I am not replying to your comments, I have already said that before I could start my session. I will give you the time. At that time, I will be giving you a chance to ask your doubts. Okay. Okay, observe here. So, what do you mean by prove the type of polygon? Prove the type of polygon is nothing but, polygon means any figure, any geometrical figure which has more than 2 sides and it should be a closed figure. Such a figure is called as polygon. Is this clear? Good. Now, they may ask you, they may give you some coordinates and they can ask you prove that it is isosceles triangle, prove that it is right triangle, prove that it is scalene triangle, prove that it is equilateral triangle. So, such type of questions you can expect here. Done? Good. Next is real numbers. In the chapter real numbers, find HCF and LCM and prove irrational number. In polynomials chapter, find zeros of the polynomial, divide polynomial, find the sum and product of zeros, frame quadratic polynomial. So, these are the key topics where you have to solve the problems. Quadratic equation, that is factorization method, quadratic formula method, and completing the square method. Is this clear? And after that, the topic is discriminant. Okay. The next topic is discriminant based problems and nature of the roots. And probability chapter, tossing a coin, 1 and 2 coins, rolling a dice, 1 and 2. Okay, if you roll 1 die, based on that you can expect a question. When you roll 2 dice, based on that you can expect a question. And playing cards, happening and not happening event. Dear students, please pay attention. I will be clarifying your doubts step by step. Again I am repeating, I will be clarifying your doubts. I will give you the time before the timeout. Okay, don't get disturbed. I will clarify each and every one's doubts. Pay attention. Okay, discriminant, nature of the roots, and happening and not happening event. In arithmetic progression, basic problems based on AN and 10th term and 30th term, such type of questions, and basic problems related to sum of n terms, like they may ask you to find the sum of 10 terms, sum of 25 terms, and find the value of n. Surface area and volumes, formula table if you know, and trigonometry, remember all the formulas. If at least if you know these are the key points and related questions, that is more than sufficient to clear this year final paper. Is this clear? Is this clear? Everyone till here, did you understood, children? So, these are the key points where you need to practice. In case if you are practicing these key points, that is more than sufficient to clear this year's board exam. These are the key points, key areas. And now after this slide, the next slide I will be showing you the important questions related to these slides. These key points, what are the key points I have explained you now? Related to this, I will be going to give you the questions. You people can try the solutions for those questions. Whichever the question you have doubt, you can just make a note of it. You can put in a comment section. If not, even after the session also, you can just go to the comment and you can write the question or type the question, which question you have the doubt. So, definitely as soon as I start the next session, that is tomorrow between 10 PM to 11 PM, I will come and clarify your doubts at that time. Got it? Is this clear? Okay. Now, important strategy. See here, important strategy. What to do? See here, the strategy is, see children, anyhow everyone will solve 1 mark questions, no doubts, 2 mark questions, no doubts. Now, when the question comes for 4 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks and 5 marks, have you noticed how much you are prepared from these areas? Okay. Observe here. See, usually for 3 mark carrying questions, the questions will come, the first area for 3 mark carrying question, the question may appear for the exam from the chapter theorems, right? And second question we can expect from the chapter statistics, and third question also we can expect from the chapter statistics. I am giving you the areas from where the questions could be asked for you. So, theorems, statistics, and even the next question is also from the chapter statistics. So, theorem, that is from the chapter circles, statistics, that is nothing but your mean, mode and median, and next statistics is nothing but your ogive curve. So, we are perfect with these areas, isn't it? Yes or no? We are perfect with these areas, and where our marks we are lagging, that you should know. So, theorems we know, statistics we know, again this is also from the statistics, and we know very well that 3 into 9 is equals to 27 marks. So, totally 3 mark we have 9 questions which carries total 27 marks. In totally we have how many questions? 9 questions for 3 marks, isn't it? Yeah. Now, theorems we know, statistics we know, again the next chapter also we know the statistics, and the fourth question we can expect from the chapter, can you guess which may be the chapter, from which is the next chapter from where we can expect the 3 mark carrying question? Any guess? Any guess? Good. The next is from areas of what? Areas related to circles. We can expect from areas related to circles, and next chapter introduction to trigonometry, very good, and the next question from the chapter coordinate geometry, and then yes, areas related to circles, that is shaded region, coordinate geometry, black GGG, the student comment was from introduction to trigonometry, this time state preparatory proof question was not asked, will they appear in the boards? Yes, absolutely. You have more chances that you can expect a question in your board related to introduction to trigonometry based on the condition proof. Not only proof, even we have other questions also with respect to 3 marks. See, in the entire chapter where all the possibilities are there, okay, the question can be asked from each and every area, but there should be number of steps who holds 3 marks. It is not only like proof question only will be asked for 3 marks, no, we have other questions also related to 3 marks, okay. Those questions we need to practice. Don't worry, I will give you few questions to practice, okay. Is this clear? Good. And the next chapter is constructions, very good child. Constructions, we can expect a 3 mark carrying question, and then quadratic equation, verbal problem, that is statement based problem, very good. And which is the next area the question can be asked? Yes, any guess? Any guess? No? Okay, I will let you know. Even we have one more topic, 4 mark carrying questions. I will tell you how the questions will be distributed, okay. In 4 mark carrying questions, we can expect a question from the chapter pair of linear equations, that is your graphical method, that is nothing but graph, theorem, applications of trigonometry, application of trigonometry, and the fourth is surface areas and volume, surface area and volume, and one more question, that is arithmetic progression, AP. Okay, that is for actually in 4 mark we have total 4 questions which carry 16 marks. Now in this all the volume questions, can you see this, all the 5 questions, any question can be asked in 5 marks. Okay, is this clear? Chances are high any question out of this can be asked for 5 marks. Any question, even graph also can be asked for 5 marks, even theorem can be asked for 5 marks, application of trigonometry also can be asked for 5 marks, AP problem can be asked for 5 marks, surface area and volume also can be asked for 5 marks. Got it? Understood? Any of these questions can be asked, either if any question will be picked for 5 marks, the rest of the questions can be picked for 4 marks. And also there is a chance that quadratic equation, as I said, statement problem, can you see this, quadratic equation statement problem, even this question also can enter into this category, even there is a chance, there is a high chances even quadratic equation statement based problem also can be asked in this, either for 4 mark, not for 5 mark, most probably in 4 mark. And in case if any question comes in 4 mark quadratic equation, then maybe surface area volume can go for 3 marks, or application of trigonometry also can go for 3 mark carrying question. Got it? Is this clear? Yes, black GGG. If state preparatory, it's just a, see, the preparatory exam or the model paper is given just as a reference, but it is not your final paper, don't get confused. So how is your preparation? Please follow your preparation, don't lack and don't get demotivated. Okay, you are preparing, go ahead, don't worry. Okay, and the next is from the chapter triangles, related to, most probably I can tell that, Pythagoras theorem based problems. Pythagoras theorem based problem. In case if theorem here, if they ask Pythagoras, then they won't ask any problem related to Pythagoras. Understood? They won't ask any question related to Pythagoras. If Pythagoras has not asked, any other theorem has asked, then definitely Pythagoras based problem chances are there, you can expect. Is this clear? Yes. I will be sharing you this scoring package also, dear. Okay. So this is what actually I just wanted to tell you people. So this is how the 3 mark carrying questions are distributed, and here I can see that most probably the students knows theorem, they know statistics and they know construction. So most probably you people are perfect with these 4 questions, and some students, I can tell some students even they are perfect with coordinate geometry. But you people are losing the marks from these 4, 5, 8, 9 problems. And again if we come back to 4 mark carrying questions, here you people are perfect with graph and theorem as I know, but you people are losing the marks from question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. So this is the areas where you people have to show more interest, and also you have to solve n number of problems related to these exercises and these topics. Got it? Is this clear? Good. Now coming back to the next slide, I just want to share with you all one important slide here. See children, this is one of the students' paper, final paper. Okay. Is this clear? Good. Now this is the final paper, and as you can see this student has scored total 80 out of 80. Okay. Now you people need to understand how you people need to write the answers. See here, the student has scored 80 out of 80, the subject code was 81 and this was the register number, that is of the last year student 2020-22 0385405, that is the registration number, and the student has, okay, can you see this, he belongs to English medium. Main answer booklet, that is 01, only one booklet he has taken, and these are the number of pages he has used, that is 22 pages he has used to complete the paper. Okay. Now observe here. So these are the multiple choice questions, the way how he has answered the paper. So your answer booklet also comes in the same format. So this is the answer booklet. Usually the booklet comes in the same format. How you have to answer it? Question number 1, main 1, question number 1, option B, parallel lines. Can you see here? Is this clear? Yeah. Question number 2, option A, -3. Question number 3, option C, the complete answer. 4, complete answer. 5. So this is how he has solved the paper. And you can see the marks is completely 1, 1, 1, 1. And second main, option A, no solution for inconsistent pair of linear equations, 1 mark. And the question was, write the general term or nth term of an AP. He has written an equals a plus of n minus 1 into d, 1 mark. And write the standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. And along with that, as you can notice here something, space for rough work. If you want to do any rough calculation, so there is a space, you have to use this space to do the calculation. Is this clear? Good. Next is, as you can see, question number 12. In this borderline, you have to write the question numbers, and complete answers you are supposed to write it here. Can you see this? Yes. And next, yeah, I am fine child, I am fine. Now third main, question number 17, equation 1, equation 2, add equation 1 and 2, he is adding directly, that is what he has written, briefly adding, what he is doing here. Or solve equation 1 and 2 also you can write, or add or subtract also you can write. So if better you can write solve equation 1 and 2, he is solving, plus y minus y get cancelled, he got the value of x, substitute x equals 3 in equation 2 or equation 1, and he has substituted, and he has, can you see, this is very most important part, can you see here, he is highlighting the final answer, that is very important children, highlighting the important answer and commenting in the last, that is very, very, very important. For every question you have to write the last comment, that is important. You solve, after solving, at last write a single line, what was the question and what is the answer. The question is find the value of x and y, ultimately you should write, therefore x equals 3 and y equals 2 are the solutions. See how beautifully the student has highlighted the final answer. So examiner blindly he has given the 2 marks for the student, blindly he has given without any doubts. And he no need to check the steps also, because the student has not given a chance for the examiner to check the steps, because the answer is so crystal clear. Okay, so he doesn't have any option to eliminate any marks from out of this. And also question number 18, n equals c, first he has written the data, can you see here, first he has written the data, he has written the formula, he has substituted and he has calculated, final answer he has shown here. So this is how you people have to represent your solution. If any small mistakes or any small working also if it is there, you can do the working over here. Is this clear? Understood? Good. And after that, the next question, the next page, as you can see, question number 19, again you can see data, sum of n terms was asked, and also sum of 20 terms was asked in this paper, and first term he has given, and common difference also it was given, and he has written the formula, substitution, final answer. Again you can see here formula, first data, formula, substitution, and also he has written the final conclusion. Can you see this? This is x is equals to minus 5 plus root 7 by 12, and x equals minus 5 minus root 17 by 2 are the roots of this equation. Got it? Yes, Mr. RP, I will be uploading child PDF, and I will automatically, once if my session gets over, this video will be uploaded in my YouTube channel, you can go through it. Okay. Next question number 21, as you can see he has highlighted he has written the discriminant formula, steps and real and equal roots. Again you can see this is very beautiful, child. See, the coordinates of A was 2, 6, coordinates of B are 5, 10. So, ultimately what he has done, he has written a box. Can you see this? Because if you are maintaining this kind of scripts, it will be easy for you to substitute the values. You will not go wrong and you will not do any mistake also over there. Is this clear? Can you see this? He has written x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 value was plus 2, y1 value was plus 6 and x2 is 5 and y2 is plus 10. He has written a column and he has highlighted those values, and once if you are substituting these values in the formula, then it will be very easy for the examiner and also for you to solve the problem. Welcome, child. Got it? This is how we need to learn. And again you can see in question number 23, the question was to divide a line segment in the ratio, I hope, 2:3. Okay. See, he has written, he has drawn a line, he has divided, the line was completely 10 centimeter. Okay, the total line was 10 centimeter and he was divided a line in the ratio 2:3, that is 2 plus 3 equals 5. So, 5 equal parts, and after that what he has done, from the from the A5 he has joined to B and it was 2:3. So, at 2 he has drawn the parallel line, the line is parallel to this, and after that from here to here it was 4 centimeter, from here to here it was 6 centimeter. He has measured this line also, he has measured this line. So, after that he has shown the measurement. What is the measurement? From here to here it is 4 centimeter, then here to here it is 6 centimeters. Is this clear? Got it? And next we can see question number 24, sin theta opposite by hypotenuse, and substitute the values here. So, the complete paper you can see how the paper has been solved, so that even you people also can try. You can see here there was a question on prove that, as one of the student was asking, sir, introduction to trigonometry, from trigonometry part they will ask for proof. Yes, of course, you can see here sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square equals 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. We have to prove. So, the question was appeared even here also to prove based on introduction to trigonometry. Got it? And question, see again, area of triangle and modal class he has solved and he has substituted and he found the mode. Okay. And next you can see statement, proof of the theorem and construction, and surface area and volume chapter, applications of trigonometry, triangle construction, areas related to circles, theorem. See how beautifully the answer was scripted. Statement he has written complete statement, given diagrams are here, and next what to prove, construction, proof, and he has given the reasons also, and finally he has concluded and he has got the total 5 marks, and this was the end of the paper. Okay. Child, you don't get confused by seeing your preparatory paper. Okay, so just you follow the things as what I have shown, that's enough. And here I will be sharing you the questions also, don't worry, I will share you now, as you can see here. And this is math scoring package. If any, but whether it is passing package or scoring package, one thing is confirm. First you have to go with the passing package, first solve every problem related to that, and then come back to the scoring package. Directly don't come to the scoring package. First you solve the problems which all it's been given in the passing package. Let even the student who face scoring package first complete passing package and then come for scoring package. That is my sincere request for you all. I have doubt in preparatory introduction to trigonometry. Okay, place for 3 marks they put triangle sum. Yes, child, they might have done it, but don't get confused, the things will not go like that. Usually the things will not come like that, don't worry. Okay, but don't worry, I will be uploading all the related sums. See, if any question from the chapter, if they ask for 3 marks, definitely I will give you that related question of that chapter. Okay, I will be uploading both. Now, as you can see here, the next slide is this again theorem, BPT, A similarity criteria, areas of triangles. This is scoring package, math scoring package, constructions. You can follow ESCC study material, arithmetic progression, example. These all problems you need to solve. Exercise, see example 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18. Exercise 1.1, solve question number 1. Exercise 1.2, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18. From exercise 1.3, question number 1, sub option 1, sub option 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 18. So, this is the must questions you need to practice from your textbook. Okay. So, this is your scoring package. The previous one which I have shown, that is your passing package. So, in case if you are going to solve these number of questions, then definitely you people are perfect for your 1 mark question, 2 mark question, or either 4 or 5 mark question also, in case if you are solving these number of questions again once again. But do not directly solve this, first you go with the passing package, then you come back to the scoring package. Yes, I will be uploading both the PDF, do not worry, I will be uploading both the PDF. So, it is for your reference purpose, easily people can use it, okay, do not worry. And next, coming back to the next slide, as you can see again, these are the complete chapter informations, which are the questions you need to practice. I have given here the complete information from all the chapters. If you have completed, you can write here completed. If it is incomplete, write here incomplete, so that you will get an idea like how much you are preparing and still how much you yet need to cover or how much it need to get prepared. Is this clear? Yes, this is what you have to do, check. That is what we do before 2 days of the exam. For that purpose, I will be coming in the next slide. What to do before we have 2 days for the exam, how to prepare during the time of exam. I will be explaining about that in the next period. Don't worry. Got it? Understood? Got the idea? Now, I have some important questions. Let me to show it to here. Yes, these are the questions. As I said you people that what we say that these are the 2 mark important 2 and 3 mark, most probably 2 and 3 mark question from all the chapters. Chapter wise I have given the questions, you can solve even these questions. Okay, before going to scoring package, if you want you can use these questions first and then you can go to the scoring package in case if time permits. So, I will give you the idea. First, kindly go with passing package. And one more, we have the material. I will show you that material. That material carries 22 marks 100%, and you can follow this 16 marks material. It is not 16 marks actually, you will get more than this, it is more than this according to the questions what I have given in this list. Okay. So, you can follow that, that is carries 16 marks. Understood? 22 marks and 16 marks. You can follow this both the materials, that is well and good for you people. So, first go with the passing package. In passing package, first you follow 22 marks and then you follow the 16 plus marks. It is not 16, it is 16 plus marks. As you can see the questions here. Got it? See, these all are the different constructions I have given. Again, even here coordinate geometry based problems I have given. Areas related to circles, few questions I have given. Quadratic equation, few questions I have given. Trigonometry, okay, polynomials chapter, real numbers, probability and triangles, statistics, surface area and volume, some basic questions I have given in this. Understood? Is this clear? Good. And apart from that, the next topic which I like to share with you all, just a minute, let me to import. Yeah, this is what I was telling about 22 marks material. Yes, this is 22 marks material. See, all the set of theorems are given and all the set of constructions I have given. I have written question number 1 to question number 8. This is what these constructions. And next main C, that is your 2 mark construction, total 10 questions I have given here. Main D is your graphical method. Main E, less than type few questions, more than type few questions, based on mean, mode and median, few questions are shared here. So this carries definitely 22 marks. Got it? Concepts are clear? Yes, I will be sharing these all PDFs, don't worry. In the description of this video, I will be sharing the Google link, Google Drive link. You just click that link and the question, the page will get downloaded and you can start preparing. See, I will tell you what is the need of today's session and how many marks you people have prepared. So here definitely by following these questions, aram se you people can score 2 into 8, that is 16 marks I have already shared in this session. And next at least 3 marks, as we know totally we have, okay, I will let you know here, total theorems we get around 4 plus 3, 7 marks we have already prepared for that, isn't it? And next we have done with the constructions part. In constructions already we have 3 mark construction, 2 mark construction, graph construction, ogive curve we have already covered, and from the statistics chapter mean, mode, median, that is 3 marks. Altogether we have already covered 22 marks. Once we have covered this 22 marks here, and later 2 into 8, in 8 already we have covered one question, that is this 2 mark question. So around 14 marks you can add up here. So out of this material, definitely hope so inshallah you people can score this marks, definitely you can score this marks, that is 36 marks. So around 36 marks you people have obtained here, okay, from this material, from this today's session you people have scored this 36 marks with respect to this study material. And if you have taken this 36 marks from here and we have 16 marks, 8 plus 8, that is multiple choice and one word question and answers, definitely anyone can score aram say 10 marks, that is no doubt in that. Okay, just the basic questions will be there, don't worry. For this 8 plus 8 I will be making one small session, in that I will be discussing this how you have to solve your multiple choice questions or 1 mark carrying questions. I will be doing separate session only for this 8 plus 8 marks, don't worry about that. But aram se people can score another 10 marks, and definitely every school have given 15 plus marks, no doubt, in your internals, isn't it? Understood? So in that, if I calculate, if I consider